you, Dirty Potters? How are you today? So today is not really a full episode. Today is just kind of a what did we call it earlier?
It's like an unboxing. We're doing an unboxing video.
Oh no, we're doing an unboxing video.
Yes, we are.
Oh
yes,
my God.
we are, Donte, and I'm so excited.
Okay, so this is essentially an unboxing video for a commission that we've done before, and I'm doing again. For those of you who don't know, Lindsay and I did kind of a co-commission quite some time ago for these cups right here. I'll put a picture on screen for you so you can see it up close. But these are tiny little avatar cups that a shop called Tea Cozy commissioned from us. They got about 50, I want to say about 50 of them from us. We had a couple extras.
We each did 25.
Yeah, and so she did a lot of the stampage and I did a lot of the silk screening, and we each threw 25 cups, and then the rest of it was just kind of a collab, right? So after this, I think they're sold out. And it's not like they just give you like a little teacup and just send you on your way. They give you packages of tea, which are supposed to correlate to the different books of Avatar, because it's an Avatar theme. They give you a teacup, they give you a little like pie show white lotus tile, and we had asked them, hey, can you give us one of these so we can put it on the channel, right? And they said yes. It's their fault they said yes, to be honest. It's out of my hands now. It's already in motion. So they gave us a package of the thing they're selling, which is awesome.
Yeah, boy.
Cloth. Y'all should know. This isn't just like paper or whatever. This is actual cloth with like little silver like highlights along the waves.
Yeah, hopefully I get to keep they don't want the cloth back, because I'm gonna turn it into a work bandana.
Well, I think when you get the box, it comes with the cloth.
Oh yeah,
so you get to keep the cloth.
They don't run up in your house like, give me the cloth back!
Yeah.
So today we're gonna open up one of these for you while we enjoy some tea out of the cups that these aren't the ones from the package. Well, they are, but like we kept these ones.
These are the extras.
These are the extras that we
kept.
just kept, essentially. But they gave us one of these boxes so that we can show you what's inside. No, they're not paying us to do this outside of making the actual cups for the commission. We just really like Tea Cozy. They're super nice to us. And they're kind of where I go for my tea anyway, to be honest with you, in Sacramento.
Yeah, I've been going to them for my tea for like years.
Yeah.
And when they asked us to like be a part of this, I was like, oh my God, yes.
If
like,
you're nice enough to us, we do stuff.
yeah. And plus, like, we love supporting local. I at least love supporting local businesses, and they're like a rad business, and so yeah.
Plus, they have all of our tea. Like, if we say no, they're gonna do stuff to the tea. I'm worried. They're gonna poison the tea. All right, let's open this package up. They child-proofed it. I can't, Lindsay. Oh, they child-proofed it.
I got you.
Thank
I
you.
would say it's okay. I have nails, but I totally don't have nails. It's so beautiful.
Stop touching the
I'm
cloth.
sorry, I can't.
You're
Look,
being
it's just
weird.
gorgeous. It's just gorgeous.
It is nice too. It's a very much a thing for me. If you like decorate the box, the package it comes in, it looks extra nice.
Yeah.
She also said she put two things in here. One's for me, one's for Lindsay, and be very obvious the extra stuff she put in here. Like what belongs to who.
Oh, I'm curious. Okay, let's do it.
Ooh.
That's probably gonna sound terrible.
Oh, this is stuck to the box.
Ooh, here. Look
at that.
Let's flip it around. All right, so White Lotus Tea Treasury, and look at that. Oh my God, that's probably for you.
That's probably for me.
Yeah. All right, so I guess
This is stuck to the box.
Is it? Do we?
Yeah, look.
Can I take it off?
I don't know if you're supposed to take it off, to be real with you, but look at that detail.
Dang, that's so pretty.
That's nice.
I think they also had these locally made too, from what I remember them saying.
They did. I remember them saying that somebody made these for them, much like we made the teacups for them. It doesn't come off, so I'm not gonna take it off. But this seems like it does come off. Yeah, this definitely comes off.
I think, but they're both little tiles.
That one's
okay.
stronger,
I'll
maybe.
leave it on for now, and then I'll steal it later.
Okay, well now. Now they don't come on. Now it won't come on. Oh God.
Oh, we just have to lift it straight up.
Oh, I
there
see.
we go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that.
Oh my God, that is so pretty. That's gorgeous. Look, they got the little washi tape and everything.
Look at that. I don't want to break that seal.
I don't want it either.
Look at that.
Wow.
For Lindsay and Donte.
Oh my God.
This was clear. Yeah, they made this box special for us. I really appreciate that.
Wow.
That's crazy, honestly. I'm gonna make Lindsay open it so she has to go through the pain of breaking the seal.
It's so beautiful. Okay, all right, I'm gonna. I love this because like I've always loved like old, like okay. Oh, here, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel it.
Oh, you can do it without breaking the seal?
Ah!
That's cheap.
Yes.
Oh.
Seal remains unbroken. Oh my gosh. Look at all these things they got for us. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't know if these come standard in the box, but like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, I
these
don't
are
think
amazing.
these come. If you ordered the box, I don't think these would come with your box.
Oh, that is so precious.
Oh, is that a Flower Boy Ang?
Yes, that is a Flower Boy Ang. There we go. Oh my gosh. That's fantastic.
That's cool.
Oh.
Oh, they don't know I don't know how to read.
I don't know if we're supposed to read this one.
Oh, maybe we, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we shouldn't read it. Just, Dear
Oh,
Donte,
gosh.
it's been a fortnight since I felt the warm embrace of your touch.
Oh my god. This
Yeah.
is Lindsay and Donte. Thank you so very much for your support and patience with this box. I'm so happy you are finally receiving this collection. Collaborating with you has been an absolute pleasure, and I'm so grateful for all of your input. The cups were amazing. I hope you enjoy these teas that I have carefully curated. I hope you'll find the wait was well worth it. I've included 2 locally made pins. The earth is of course for Donte, and the water is for Lindsay. Aww, because, oh my god, because water and earth make, well, you know, mud. Oh my god! Thank you so much for everything. I can't wait to hear your feedback on this collection. I'd love to collaborate on future pieces. Cheers, Linda, manager with Tea Cozy. Okay.
So
okay.
what essentially happened is that Lindsay and I did the first order of these cups together. It was a collaboration, right? And the second time, I just kind of did it alone because Lindsay was busy with other stuff.
I had too much to
She
do.
just had too much stuff to do. So we meant to do this video for the first batch, but we couldn't get around to it. And I wasn't as good with promoting it on my social media as I should have been. They probably would have sold out a lot faster, honestly. The
Oh
White
my
Lotus.
God.
So I think this just tells us what's in there.
Look at all that. So they have like a little like summary. Oh my god, of like each thing. That's so freaking cool.
Oh, I see. Okay, so it's like episode by episode in comparison to Avatar: The Last Airbender, the show. So like book 1, episode 5, King of Omashu, my cabbages, right? And it has a tea that is supposed to be blended to that episode. And the little symbolism that goes next to it. That's cool. That's actually
That
cool.
is, and they do it for
Here,
the
take-
whole thing. Like, look at this. You got a whole booklet to go with your entire experience. That is so cool.
So it's more supposed to be taken in as an experience rather than just like, oh, I bought some tea.
Yeah. Oh
That's
my
nice.
god. I can't even like, okay, as someone who like appreciates writing, I can only imagine how long it took for them to like write all of this. Like,
Yeah, just to
So
create lore
cool.
for your own product by itself.
that's awesome.
That's yours. Oh, they have a QR code right here.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I bet that's the QR code to their shop. I bet if you're seeing this episode right now, you can probably just put your phone up to the screen. It's like QR code that out.
That's so cool. All right, let's see what else is in here.
So it looks like every single.
Wow.
So this is like the fire package, and every package is labeled, I assume. I'm gonna open it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open it.
Oh my gosh.
I know I'm supposed to open it, but I feel bad because it's so attractive that I feel bad opening it.
I think it's literally every episode, dude.
Okay, so this is the book 3, Book of Fire, and then I pulled out one little tea bag here. And this tea bag is supposed to be for book 3, episode 8. And that has a correlation to the book they gave us, and that describes the tea and the experience that goes with it. I see. I understand.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's so cool, and there's so many of them.
Flippin' Avatar nerds, bro.
So I just noticed in the introduction, so all the little symbols that go in the book are like certain things. So it's like, so this symbol is like, okay, episodes that feature Iroh, episodes that feature tea. So for each episode, they have like a little key marker. So it's like, oh, okay, book 1, episode 3 features Iroh, it features tea drinking, and then these other things. And also, in case you are not a super crazy tea aficionado, they give you a nice little guide for how to brew everything.
Yeah, Tea Cozy is very big on the giving you instructions on how to brew the tea when they give you the tea. Every single time I buy a bag of tea, they always have a little instructions like this tea specifically is for this temperature for this long, is to be drank at this time.
Ooh, they've got a pu'er in here. Oh my gosh. I love, this is actually one of my favorite teas. It's like a little mini, it's like, I think it's Puer Mini Tuocha. And they're like these cool little compact blocks of compressed tea leaves. So this one is for book 2, episode 6.
So each one,
Gosh.
just to confirm, is an individual episode within the book that the package is labeled with. So like there's book 2, episode 1, book 2, episode 2 right there, episode 3, episode 4 of book 2. I see. Okay.
Wow.
And I assume they're each one steep, but you know, tea people be like, we could do another steep.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
100%.
Oh, these are so beautiful. Just like, look at the textures. I'm just like those are just so beautiful, and they're perfectly portioned for like that size of the cup.
Speaking of that size of cup, this is the cup that you get with it, right? So again, Lindsay and I made these together. Yeah, I think this is one of the ones that I made. You can kind of tell. My symbol, yeah, there it is. My symbol's on the bottom of mine. Lindsay's is on the bottom of hers.
Yeah.
But you can really tell, right? And of course, there's in here too. Oh,
those are the pins.
What is this? Oh, they're pins.
Yes.
Here.
So that one's mine because it's water.
Oh, who does this belong to?
Oh, I can't even imagine.
wouldn't
But
know.
together we make mud. I love that so much.
Aren't mud benders just swamp rednecks?
Where are you calling us swamp people?
Maybe.
Oh my gosh. I'm putting this on right now.
Lindsay's wearing her pin right now. I'm gonna put mine on my Claybrin, so that way when I wear them for YouTube videos, you should see this somewhere on my. I'm just gonna have like a thing full of pins. People keep sending me, oh, I see on your wall you have a bunch. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to wear mine.
It's incredible to think about the
work that went into it.
Yeah, not only just like watching every episode, but like thinking about, wow, like what tea would work well with this, like what flavor, and then putting together the little, the little guide and everything. Like there's so much thought and care that goes into this package that I'm just like, I'm gonna have to like.
You would have to be an actual Avatar nerd to pull this off.
Yeah.
You can't just be like, oh, I heard of this show. You can't. What's that guy who made the really bad version of Avatar?
M. Night Shyamalan.
You can't do that. Where he's like, oh, I heard about this show, and I'm just gonna make a movie out of it because my kid likes it. And they're like, I don't even think he could create this.
No, this is
He's
like
bad.
because he's bad.
You can take 2 of them, and I'll take 1, honestly.
No,
Because every time I come over
well,
to record the Mud Peddlers with you, it's always like you're always serving me tea. So
That's-
you use far more tea than I do. So I'll take the Book of Earth, and you can have the other 2.
Well, how about you take the Book of Earth, I'll take the Book of Water, and then we'll split the Book of Fire.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll hold the Book of Fire here. We'll just drink it as we do the Mud Peddlers.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you guys for joining us today. We just wanted to make this aware because last time we did this collab, like, I didn't really push it on my social media and it's still sold out. And I kind of want to let you know before it happens so you get it. I'm not playing favorites.
No,
Listen,
not at all.
I'm not playing
at all.
favorites.
We don't secretly love all of you more than everybody else.
I'm not playing favorites. I just like you more than the others.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all that is.
Yeah.
They're different.
So there is for every episode of each of the 3 books, there is a tea to go along with that specific book. So that means there is a total of 61 tea blends inspired by Avatar: The Last Airbender.
It's almost a drinking game. Yeah. To be honest with you.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
It's
I love
almost
that.
a drinking game. You could drink a tea every time you watch an episode.
Yeah.
Granted, you can't binge watch the season because you would
Well, you'd be real hydrated.
be real hydrated.
Yeah.
Right? Also, in the back of the book, it tells you who all the artists who collaborated to make this possible are and where you can find them, which is
Yeah.
fantastic. Our names do be in there.
They are.
Yeah.
Should I?
Yes,
read
please.
some
Yeah,
of this?
actually,
Okay.
rattle them off. Get some credit.
Okay, all right. So for the front cover art of this booklet, it's David Tercero. So you can find his work at David Tercero at iCloud. And again, when you order this, all this information will be in the back.
Right.
The character drawings that are in the booklet are from Briseis Payne, and the Pai Sho tiles are by Michael Thau. So yeah, so it's really cool that they like collaborated with so many local folks. They also have a little shout out to the Momos and the Appas podcast for their support.
Well, thank you, Dirty Potters, for joining us today. We're going to put the links down below where you can contact the shop, their Instagram, and buy this if you want to. We're going to try and get this episode out before the holidays so that you can get this as a gift for somebody if you want. So thank you very much. I appreciate your Dirty Potter faces. Huge thanks to T Cozy for sending us this, and I will see you, Dirty Potters, next week. And, you know, if it was me in this situation, I would buy it, maybe keep the tile, give it to him, be like, didn't come with a tile, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I don't know. If it was me in that situation, but, you know.